So here's Carnival Tycoon app, quite popular app in here. Carnival Tycoon idle games, you can see in here. In the top charts, you can play within here, like just go to these theme parks and then just go through all of these places, kind of like, you know, simulation game. You need to earn coins, you need to complete missions. And then just play with it. Mission completed. And then yeah, you just go through here and complete quest to earn rewards and bring your Iceland to its full glory. So that's basically the idea. And you have game, and then also you have friend code, so you can refer friends to this app. You can add friends. There is a timeline, there is leaderboard, there is team, and then there is shop. You can buy something in the shop. In here, community settings. So you can also connect Facebook for better things. And yeah, so this is just where you have it. And then yeah, you have this. So kind of quite addictive game. I haven't played it fully. I just completed the start onboarding, but it can become super addictive, super nice graphics. And then you need to go through here. And then you just go through like all the different missions, and that's the idea.